clear. Moon will keep my heart tonight. Hold the feelings I can't speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforted. If only time could pause a while, I'd stay